Hey, it's David from ING. Setting up your account is the first step to setting yourself up for success. And I'm going to show you just how easy it can be. So let's get set to set you up. If you want to make a deposit, you can do this by having your salary deposited into your account, transferring money from another eligible ING account, or by a pay anyone transfer from your current bank. Boom! Tick! When you receive your Visa debit card, sign the back of your card and log in at ing.com.au. Go to Manage Cards, then Card Settings and Activation. Now you've activated your card. Yes! If you want to start using said card, just make a purchase by pressing the credit button or the savings to use just your PIN. Or you can keep said card in your fancy wallet and use Apple or Google Pay. See below for the instructions for each. Now, if you need to update your direct debits, contact any companies where you have direct debit arrangements and give them your everyday account number and our BSB 923100. Would you look at that? You're all set to set yourself up. Now ready, set, go do your thing.